Hi, my name is Miran Domanko from the company RLS, and I'm the product manager for AksIM rotary absolute encoders. AksIM encoders are extremely accurate, high-performance devices that provide excellent results when used properly. Here are some tips to ensure that you're using them to their full potential. After mounting the encoder, there will always be some unwanted eccentricity of the ring that will affect measurement accuracy. It can be seen in the accuracy diagram as a sine wave per revolution and usually accounts for most of the measurement error. To eliminate this effect, the self-calibration function can be used after installation. It compensates for the mechanical eccentricity error as shown in the following demonstration. We can see that the error before self-calibration is 1.74 degrees. After performing the function, the error is reduced to 0.19 degrees. Although the eccentricity effect can be reduced very much, the best results are obtained when the installation is as close as possible to the optimum. The self-calibration function can be triggered by the user via BIS, UART and SPI using the appropriate USB encoder interface or other custom hardware. Upon request, we can manufacture read heads paired with corresponding rings. The accuracy of each ring is recorded and the error map is loaded into the read head. This process improves the system accuracy of the encoder. For even more demanding applications, 2 read heads with 1 ring can be used. This way, the eccentricity error is completely eliminated. For applications with higher safety, you can also choose a redundant AksIM, which consists of 2 identical, completely independent encoder modules combined on one board. Both are connected via the same cable. Due to the digital barcode magnetization, the encoder is fully redundant even when using a single ring. For more information about AksIM encoders, please visit our website. If you have any questions about these or other products, we're also available by email.